about 2 hours from now, the Parliament will convene and the opposition will yet again bring up the issue. But for the moment, let's shift our attention now in what should hopefully close the chapter on the controversy that had been sparked by a suggestion to review the presence of the words socialist and secular in the preamble to the Indian Constitution. Now, the Union government has told the Parliament that there is no current plan or intention to reconsider or remove the words inserted during the emergency period. In a written reply, the Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has said that the government has not formally initiated any legal or constitutional process to remove the two words from the preamble of the Constitution.
Arjun Meghwal ji has reiterated what Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has earlier stated, that there can be no change in the Indian Constitution. And the BJP and the Government of India stands by the Constitution. The words secular and socialism will stay on in the Constitution. And it has been very clearly mentioned by the government also that there is no policy or there is no thought of changing any part of the Constitution, especially the preamble.
So the political controversy, remember, had been sparked off by the RSS General Secretary, Dattatreya Hosable, who called for a national debate on whether the term secular and socialist will define India's foundational values and whether it should remain in the preamble or not.
भारत के संविधान के प्रस्तावना में, प्रियम्बल में, दो शब्द जुड़े गए हैं। राय साहब, आप इस विषय के बारे में कभी बोलेंगे या लिखे तो मुझे मालूम नहीं है, देखता हूं। दो शब्द जुड़े हैं। हम लोगों को मालूम है सेक्युलरिज्म और सोशलिज्म के, वो प्रस्तावना में नहीं थे, पहले प्रियम्बल में नहीं थे। उन दो शब्दों को जोड़ा है। प्रियम्बल शाश्वत रूप से है। क्या सोशलिज्म के विचार आइडियोलॉजी के नाते क्या शाश्वत है भारत के लिए? सेक्युलरिज्म का शब्द संविधान में नहीं था, प्रस्तावना में जोड़ा है।
So this was the statement that was made by the RSS leader, and Congress had hit out at Hosable, accusing the RSS and the BJP of pushing an anti-constitutional agenda. The Congress had said that the RSS and BJP ideology is fundamentally against the values enshrined in the Constitution. Now, there has been a denial in black and white, but the party still refuses to trust the BJP.
Parliament has clarified that the government does not have any plan to amend the preamble of the Constitution and to delete secular and socialist words. That's good news, but time and again, such issues are raised up either by the leaders of BJP or its affiliate organization like RSS. Today, I think this controversy has been put an end, but never know that they can rake it up again.
My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details of how this could play out. And Niyamika, the opposition had raised the issue of attack on constitution during the Lok Sabha elections as well. They believe it is a strategy that has worked on ground. Now there has been a clarification from the government in the parliament that these words are not going to be dropped from the preamble. What will the opposition do now? Is this a closed chapter now?
Absolutely not. As just now, we have also spoken to the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat, regarding this entire matter, and he has once again quoted the statement which was being given by the Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, as he had stated that the BJP and the RSS believes in changing the constitution, and this is nothing but just a kind of a clarification which is coming in on the part of the government of India because they are scared of Rahul Gandhi. So that is the kind of remark and the rebuttal which is coming in on the part of the Congress Party regarding this entire issue, because even during the time of general elections, the entire Congress Party's campaigning was focused on this allegation which they had put upon the BJP and RSS, that they want to change the constitution, and that is what we have seen, that they have also kind of get a reward also during the general elections, as they had been able to put forward a kind of a narrative against the BJP and the RSS, that they are asking for 400 plus seats from the people of this country only because Sukhdev wants to change the constitution. But now the statement which is coming in by the Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, he has made it very clear that there is no intention of the government of India to change these words, to remove these words from the preamble. As he had also stated that if there will be any kind of change within the constitution, then it will be done after a proper consensus which is going to be made.
Okay.
And that is what he had stated, that there is no intention of the government of India to do so.
Okay, all right. Nyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. The opposition leaders continue to now question the government despite the written reply that has been given to the Lok Sabha. With that, let's shift